Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanka kukuya pani no channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garoka subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya yabuditswa na the Botswana president vaduma Boko Aramba vachiramba maclaims kunzi vapiwa tame ankoleketo by president Emerson Mnangagwa ndafuka pane ma reports anga abuda achicirculata pachaurapo pachinzi vaduma Boko vakapiwa Yemombe dzinokwana kuita 10 na president Emerson Mnangagwa during a recent SADC meeting yakaitwa muHarare. Inova nyaya yabuda ichirambwa mune Zimbabwe in the office of President Duma Boko ndafunga painge pataurwa ipo pachinzi Yemombe idzi vakapiwa to congratulate him on his historic general election victory. As is seen, the secretary to the president of Botswana vabuda vachiti these are baseless and unfound claims. Vakabuda vachitara ivo vachiti va Boko avaite Yemombe is not involved munyaya dzemombe mure Zimbabwe. Nyaya yabuditswa neThePindula News vachitaura ivo vachiti Botswana's president Duma Boko has denied claims that he was gifted 10 Ankole cattle by President Emerson Mnangagwa during a recent SADC meeting in Harare. According to Tuesday Grill, the cattle were allegedly given to Boko to congratulate him on his historic general election victory. However, in a statement issued on Tuesday, December 17, Mutapati, the press secretary to the president of Botswana, stated that the claims are baseless and unfounded. The statement reads, "The office of the president categorically refutes false allegations that President Duma Boko has received any breed of cows or similar gifts from His Excellency President Emerson Mnangagwa of the Republic of Zimbabwe. President Boko has never been involved in farming, either as a cattle ranger or any other manner. These baseless and unfounded claims are therefore a deliberate act of propaganda designed to mislead the public, detract from the critical work of the administration, and tarnish the strong diplomatic relations between Botswana and Zimbabwe. We urge the public to dismiss these misleading allegations with the contempt they deserve. Furthermore, we call on the leadership of the Botswana Editors Forum to protect the public from rogue elements who masquerade as journalists while engaging in deliberate misinformation campaigns. The relationship between President Boko and President Mnangagwa remains diplomatic, focused solely on strengthening cooperation and fostering mutual development between the two nations." Ndamabuditsirwa akaitwa nyaya iyi mure Zimbabwe neThePindula News. Tisingazive kuti munoionawo sei nyaya iyi. Maripots aya anga abuditswa mure Zimbabwe achinzi this was a gift from Mnangagwa election victory sezvatambotaura. So pabuda maripots aya Jobsikana abuda achikomenta achitaura iye achiti vaBoko would likely refuse such a dirty gift from a dirty regime mure Zimbabwe hanzi kana achinge aofwa. This Jobsikana abuda achikomenta on his ex handle ataura iye achiti, "I have come across some raging and fuming anger over this alleged dirty gift to President Duma Boko. The anger by many Zimbabweans who are living under poverty and repression is justified because to the majority of our people, change in Botswana was seen as the progressive sign of democracy in motion. Some of us stood with opposition because we wanted the will of the people of Botswana to prevail, which eventually happened. People of Zimbabwe must know that ZANU-PF was openly supporting their losing horse Masisi of BDP, and the coming into power of the opposition miffed them. To spin their embarrassment, they are doing everything possible to soil and destroy the public image and trust of the new government in Botswana by going there and start throwing such gifts as announced in the story by the Tuesday Grill to tarnish the image of the new sheriff in Botswana. The story does not tell us whether President Duma Boko has accepted such a dirty gift from the dirty regime, which I know for a fact he has not. It is some of these narratives we are being sold to equate the new government of Botswana as not different from any other regime in Africa, like the disappointment people had in Malawi's Chakwera after he flew to London to attend an online meeting for some fast internet and Wi-Fi connections. We must look at every act ZANU-PF regime do to the new government in Botswana with an open and critical eye. This is an attempt to tarnish the new government as one of African governments that has only brought the change of faces, but not the behavior and conduct we have been witnessing for years in Africa. Ndo zvataurwa na Job Sikala mreZimbabwe pabuda maripotsi yaya achitaura yachiti vaBoko havasi kuzofa vakaaccepta this gift. Now pazobuda madevelopments ekuti vaBoko havana kunge vatombosangana nezvinhu zvakadaro, hanzi hapana mombe dzatumirwa, since propaganda yachida kutanisha image yavaBoko mreZimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi, tiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
To capture a good picture of that. That is a symbolic expression of the handover of the SADC building, being handed over to the SADC chairperson and the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Thank you. And to also symbolically show that indeed the two heads of states have received the building on behalf of the SADC heads of states, will request their presidents, His Excellency and the President of the Republic of Botswana, the SADC chairperson, to be ushered to the monumental stone to just unveil where it's actually inscribed that indeed this building has been handed over by a Bongo investment to SADC, and that the President, the chairperson of SADC, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, and the President of the Republic of Botswana. Thank you. A very good afternoon to you all, and welcome to the headquarters of the Southern African Development Community, the SADC Secretariat. My name is Barbara Lopi from